Pas-de-deux is a duet, a duo, a dance between two individuals. Usually a man and a woman, or a man and a man, or a woman and a woman, or a woman and a horse. The classical pas-de-deux repertoire utilizes over 100 positions, 102 to be exact. And these 102 classical pas-de-deux positions will now be demonstrated to you. Please welcome our star performers. Please assume first position, second position, third, fourth, fifth position, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th position, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27, 28, 29, 30, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 78, 78, 78, 78, 78, 78, 78, 78, come back, come back, come back, come back, 78, 78, 70, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 64, Soraxiem, Sorakvozem, Divinosta, 66, 67, 69, 70. Abratla Berlo Pazica. 96, 6, 6, 6, 82, 83, 84, 84, 84, 84, 37, 37, 37, 37, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 41, 43, 44, 43, 44, 43,